Alright, so we got the subfloor on. We've architected a little bit the underneath of the joists for insulation. Just today I put in the joist for the deck, 10 by 16 little segment there, and starting to get the log posts put in. As you can see, they're standing pretty straight and true. These are logs that I worked on last year, shaved them up really good. So I gotta keep putting the posts on now. We gotta get some sheeting for the deck, and then finish up with the posts. I'm gonna put a post in the middle, post on the corners. So there's gonna be, I guess, 5 posts for now. Haven't exactly decided. I got 18 logs, so I can make as many posts as I want. But you know, we're gonna use dimensional lumber for the walls, so we can't go too crazy on the posts unless I want to really do a lot of hewing. Structure's looking pretty good from underneath. Got it on 15 blocks, and got screw jacks in there to readjust for sinkage and leveling and stuff for the future. So that's what it's looking like. It's coming together, and can't wait to start whacking in the walls.